I've seen a lamp of a laptop. This is the lamp. And for those of you who have never seen an SSD, this is how the SSD looks like. So this is the SSD. So this is what is called a solid state drive. And if you want to see how the hard drives, the other hard drives looks like. So here I have some hard drives that were from other laptops but have been damaged. These are how hard drives look in the inside. So this is a hard drive, this one, and this one is called a solid state drive. This one is an improvement of this. So these were the old ones, now these one are the new ones. So as you can see, these are two hard drives. These are all damaged, they have been damaged. So we have the upgrade here. So today, after that, we take our lamp. Use the lamp. So you avoid touching the sockets here. So you hold it like this. You slide it. Hold it like this, and you slide it in. And it's locked. So you see, so when you want to open it and remove it, you just unclip here and unclip the far end. It is out. When you want to put it back, you just slide it and then you push it down. Slide it down and you push it down like that. So this is a lamp slot. We have another lamp slot here. If you want to add more lamp, so you can just add another lamp here. So this is the other lamp. This laptop has two batteries. So this is the external battery. This one is the removable battery. Then on the inside we have another inbuilt battery with 2440 mmH. 2040 mmH. So this is the internal battery.